Guys, what's up? My name is F.C.E and welcome everybody to my video, guys. So today in this video I'll show you an application that will allow you to free up your space, erase all your data, erase deleted files, erase your private data, and also erase private fragments. So this is an application. It's a really great application, guys. You guys can see this is called iMyfone Umate Pro. So I have the pro version for the review, but you guys can go ahead and get the trial version, and if you guys like it, you guys can go ahead and purchase it. So you guys can have it for trial, and you guys can go ahead and use it, and if you guys like it, and you guys can go ahead and buy it. So yeah, the link will be in the description box, so make sure you guys go ahead and click the link in the description box. So as you guys can see, this is application really has a really great interface and easy to browse through. So the first thing that you can do is you guys can go ahead and free up your space. Maybe your phone is taking a lot of space, maybe you have a files that's like, maybe you have a temporary files that you guys don't even realize. So you guys can go ahead and scan it, and you guys can go ahead and free up. So the next thing that you can do is erase all your data. So you don't need iTunes or anything. You guys can literally go ahead and erase your all data. Maybe you are selling your phone, or you guys giving your phone to someone else, and you don't want you don't want that person to get into your data or stuff like that. You guys can pretty much literally erase all your data from here. And also sometimes when you delete your files from your phone, there's gonna be a temporary files, or even the files that there are in like saved into somewhere that you guys don't realize. For example, maybe you delete some pictures and you couldn't find it in recycle or recently delete. It will be somewhere inside your phone. So with this quick tool, you guys can actually erase deleted files. So yeah, you guys can erase deleted file outright, and your secret are gone forever, as you guys can see. And the next thing that you guys can do is you guys can go ahead and erase private data. So as you guys can see, you guys can literally delete your private data too. So you guys can go and scan for this, as you guys can see. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I just want to quickly scan for the free up space. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and quick scan. So as you guys can see, this scanning, it says about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and wait and see how long it takes. And it says scanning your device, please do not use a device to avoid any problem. So I'm not gonna touch my phone, and I'm just gonna let it run through this scanning process, and I'll be right back, guys. So as you guys can see, it says 20 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's finished scanning, but it didn't took me 20 minutes like it said, but it just took me like few minutes, like 3 or 4 minutes. But this does not look quite good. As you guys can see, it says 79.45 gigabyte more can be freed up. Wait, my phone is only 64 gigabyte, like capacity is only 64. Why it's saying 79 and 45 gigabyte more can be freed? I don't know, maybe it's some glitch or some bug. So as you guys can see, junk file has been done. So as you guys can see, you guys can also clean up temporary files, photos, large files, and application. So, and also you guys can erase all data, as I said. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly clean up my temporary files. As you guys can see, let me just go ahead and clean it up. It says about 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and wait how long it takes. Hey guys, as you guys can see, it says cleaning failed for some unknown errors, please try it again. I'm not gonna try this again, but you guys can go ahead and try it again. So I don't know why it says error. You guys can go ahead and try it again. So I'm just gonna click done. Maybe my phone is disconnected, or maybe something wrong happened. So as you guys can see, now you guys can do all these things, guys. So I'm not gonna do it. Just go ahead and play around with it. And if you guys did like this application, you guys can go ahead and download it from the link in the description box, completely free for the trial version. And if you guys do like it and you guys want to use it, you guys can go ahead and purchase the full license or serial number for the application. This is a really great application. I did use this one before to clean up my other phone. So yeah, it's a really great application. So I'll have the link in the description box. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. So I'll see you next one. Peace.